In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer an entire Google Drive. By the end, you'll have exported all of your Google Drive content as zip files using Google Takeout and uploaded those files into a new Google Drive account. First, go to takeout.google.com, open your browser, click in the address bar, type the URL, and press enter. If you're prompted to sign in, use the Google account that contains the drive you want to transfer. Next, select Drive. On the Google Takeout page, you'll see a list of Google products. Scroll until you find Drive, then make sure Google Drive is selected. You should see the toggle switched on for Drive. This tells Takeout to include your Drive files and folders in the export. If other services are selected and you don't want them, simply turn them off so only Drive remains selected. This helps keep the export focused and smaller. Now click Next Step. Scroll to the bottom of the page and select the Next Step button to move to Export Settings. From here, choose Zip. In the File Type section, open the drop-down and select .zip. Zip is a standard compressed format that works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux without extra tools. Choosing Zip keeps the download manageable and easy to upload later. Once that's done, click Create Export. This starts the export process for your entire Google Drive. You'll see a progress message. For large drives, this can take time. That's normal. You can leave the page open or check back later. Google will also email you when your export is ready. So when the export is ready, download files. On the Takeout page or from the email link, let's click Download to save the exported zip file or files to your computer. If your drive is large, you may see multiple zip parts. Choose a simple location you can find easily, like your downloads or a dedicated transfer folder. Keep the browser window open while each file downloads. If your browser asks for permission to save, confirm it. Don't worry if the downloads take a while. That just means the export is large. Finally, upload a new drive. Open a new tab and go to the Google Drive for your destination account. If needed, sign into that account. Once you're on the main Drive page, you can upload in two ways. The first way is to drag and drop the downloaded zip files directly into the Drive window. You'll see an upload status panel in the bottom right confirming progress. The second way is to click New in the top left. I'm going to choose File Upload and select the zip files you downloaded. Either method is fine. Wait for each upload to complete before closing the tab. Larger files will take longer and depend on your internet speed. If you see multiple zip files, upload all of them so your entire Drive export is in the new account. As the uploads finish, verify that the zip files appear in My Drive in the new account. The files are now stored in the destination Google Drive. You've successfully moved the complete contents of your original drive as exported archives. If you ever need to access individual files locally, you can download a zip and open it on your computer. For cloud access, you can keep the ZIPs as they are in the new drive. At this point, the transfer of your entire Google Drive using Google Takeout is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.